just go ahead and get it through your head. AI will replace you, but not in the way that you expect it to. And when it happens, you're going to take it personally. There are two sides of the aisle on this. You have one group that says AI can't replace me, and then the other group that says that AI is definitely replacing everyone. And many people have looked up which jobs will be taken to see if their job is on the list, even though those lists are more than likely not accurate because they don't get to see what is happening inside the thousands of tech startups that are eagerly building with AI. But there is one trick in knowing if you're going to get replaced by AI or not. It's a single skill or trait that you either have right now or you don't. The very first people that are going to get replaced by AI are the ones that aren't actively developing AI as a skill. Now, here's the part you're going to take personally. No one is actually going to be replaced by AI. That's because they're all going to be replaced by someone that knows how to use AI. You're not going to see some AI robot just waltz into your office one day as your replacement. It'll be another person, but that person can 10x what you can do in a day because they've learned how to properly work with AI to maximize output. So instead of wondering if your job is on the list of AI replaceable jobs in the next 3 years, you should start looking to see how you can replace others by learning to use AI effectively. Because in the end, you can either be replaced by AI or you can become irreplaceable because of AI. In the end, the choice is yours.